And now let's get you some good news story back home. This is a story of a village in Gujarat where the women have learned to manufacture phenyl washing powder besides making chili powder and haldi. The village called Dharmali is an award-winning skilled village. Here's a report.
Dharamali is a small village in Irdi Tehsil of Sabarkantha district. The village has a population of approximately 2,000 people. The village is popular for its progressive thinking and the spirit of hard work of its people. The village receives all incentives from the centre as well as the state governments, and its people are taking full advantage of it. But what's important is that there's nobody in this village who's unemployed. The women make chili and haldi powder and sell them in the market at reasonable rates, making them all self-sufficient.
हमारे गांव में जो लोग अभ्यास पूर्ण करके बैठे हुए हैं, उनको हम बेरोजगार हैं, उनके लिए हमने तालीम रखी और उसको उनके साथ हमने तालीम देके उसको अपने पैरों पर खड़ा करके उनको हमने व्यवसाय दिया और हमने उसमें अधिकतर महिलाओं को ट्रेनिंग दी, जिसके कारण वो अपने घर के काम के अलावा भी और कुछ भी अलग काम करके और जो उनके घरेलू व्यवसाय है वो भी पूर्ण कर सके.
Women have a big role to play in Dharamali. They are self-reliant in every way and even have an internet center. The woman sarpanch of the village prepares a list and makes sure that each house is self-sufficient with phenyl, washing powder and other household essentials. As a result of computer education, the village women are able to earn more than 4,000 rupees even sitting at home.
पहले हम हमारा घर का काम करने के बाद हम सो जाते थे या टीवी देखते थे और हमारे पास कुछ काम नहीं था, लेकिन गांव की पंचायत के द्वारा हमें स्किल विलेज की ट्रेनिंग दी गई. इसमें से हमने पाउडर, लिक्विड या फिनाइल बनाना सीखा. उसमें से हमको बिक्री हुई और बिक्री से हमें मुनाफा हुआ.
Currently, the village products are sold within the village itself. Efforts are being made to spread them beyond the village. Educated girls from the village are employed in the district office. Dharamali tops in terms of cleanliness, education, health and drinking water facilities. The village is also digital with its own website, dharamali.com, where all the village development work is detailed. The unique example of women's independence in Dharamali prompted the state government to give the village the Skilled Village Award. Truly, it is an example for other villages in the country to follow. Dev Goswami's report, Dharamali, DD News.